So this video could either fly or it could flop, and it'll all be down to the software I'm demonstrating and reviewing, because we're going to use AI writing software to write the title and the description to this video, and then proof will be in the pudding. Does it appear in the searches? Does it get plenty of views? So it'll probably be a two-part video. We're talking about Scalenut. One of the things Scalenut does that not many of the other ones do, it creates full blog articles. Really easy, in less than 5 minutes. I tried it yesterday. I was actually very impressed with it. But I do review other AI softwares. Do check out my list. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Where is it? Somewhere, I don't know. It's wherever I'm going to put it. I'll have to put two up now because I've pointed twice. Now, it helps me. We are growing. I like getting the word out about great software. And if you do click the notification button as well, sometimes I come on with some very, very time-limited deals that might be ending soon. So if you get the notifications, you're never going to miss out on them. Let's jump in. Oh, yes. I've got to tell you one more thing. Sorry. We'll get there. In the description is a special discount link which will give you a good price for Scalenut, and it'll also give you a 7-day free trial. But it's the full trial. You can try all of the features, and you get a generous word allowance. It's 35,000 words. 5,000 words a day, 35,000 words. So give Scalenut a try and tell me what you think about it, or tell me which AI software you use, and if you think it's better. I'm always here to know. Get commenting below. Let's jump in, and let's try and do this with Scalenut. Right, so here's Scalenut. I'm not going to go through everything now because I did that in a previous video, but just very quickly, that's one thing that it's really good at, and I tried yesterday. Create a blog in 5 minutes. And it did, and I was impressed with it. It's called Cruise Mode. Not many of the other AI writers do a full blog. I'm not saying they don't, but yeah, I liked it. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to try and create a title and a description for this very YouTube video. So we'll start off by creating the title. I've had a little play with this before, and I did it the wrong way around. We're going to start off by creating the title, and then we're going to take that title and put it into the description and see how it creates. So what's this video about? Using Scalenut. I might change that to AA Writer, I'm not sure yet, to create a YouTube title and description using AI. All right, so let's generate it. How to create a YouTube video title. Yeah. The best ways to use AI in making a YouTube. Right. So I do want to include the old Scalenut in it. And how to create a YouTube video title or description using Scalenut. I actually think I'm going to generate a few more. This is how to create title description using Scalenut. Well, that's probably what it is. Let's have a look. How to use Scalenut. How to use. Which is the best one? So I think we're either going to use how to create a YouTube video or title or description using Scalenut, or this is how to create title or description using Scalenut. I think that's the one, isn't it? And I'm happy with that. So if you were searching on YouTube and you use Scalenut as your go-to AI and you wanted a tutorial how to do title and description, although it doesn't say YouTube, does it? Let's see the other one. Create. I think it's that one, actually. Add to the editor. I know I could have written that. What I find, and I don't know if you find the same, and I'm sure you do, sometimes you know what you want to say, but you put something down and it's just, you want to find the best way of saying it. And if you've got the ideas of what you want in your title of a YouTube video or any blog or anything you're writing, you can put the words down that you mean, and it will give you alternatives. And that's very handy because sometimes your brain just doesn't fire. So we are happy with that. And we're going to save that one. It'll save. And let's go back to YouTube description. These aren't long. So as I say, yesterday I made a full blog over 1,000 words. But these descriptions, titles for YouTube aren't particularly long. That's what the title is. So now we want to generate from that the description. And the AI is off. And it can take up to 30 seconds. So in this video, we're going to show you how to easily create a YouTube title description using Scalenut. Scalenut is a tool that simplifies the task coming up with creative and catchy titles for your videos. It also allows you to make powerful keywords and research tool to optimize titles for better search engine rankings. So if you want to create videos that rank high in the search engines, you need to start using it. It's a bit of an advert, that, but in this video, we're going to show you how to use Scalenut to create amazing titles and videos. Scalenut is a fantastic tool. You know, am I happy to put my name to that, along with descriptions about the video? So I can add that to the editor. I'm sorry, I'm silent now. I'm reading. Sorry, I should be in this video. I'm going to talk to you how I create a video title. Scalenut is a powerful tool, can help you. So, actually, I prefer that. Do you? I'm going to get rid of that first bit. Okay. So there it is, my description. But look at this. I want a bit more. Use this for writing ahead with our AI keyboard shortcut. Get your heads around this. I love this. So, did you see what happened there? I just typed, I create my title and description, and I clicked the right button. And Scalenut was off using the Scalenut tool. It's really easy to use and helps me come up with catchy titles and descriptions that people will find. So, I can have bullet points at the end. Have you seen what it's come up with now? You don't want too long on YouTube, so... But look at this. You will learn how to use Scalenut, what are the different options, how to customize your titles and descriptions. Thanks for watching. Add that to the end. It's fascinating, isn't it? It does blow my mind, and Scalenut seems to be... Well, I've used quite a few of these, and I just like it. I don't need all of that, do I? I just need it up to find my videos more easily. Oops, hang on, have I got an undo button? Undo. It's got undo. That's always handy to know, isn't it? So they always say with AI, and this is an important point to make, so it's not 100% purpose. You need to put 20% of the effort in. So I don't particularly want 2 paragraphs ending with the same thing. Helpful descriptions that will help people find your videos more easily. It's really easy. And I'm going to lose that so it doesn't repeat. Okay. Right. This is another thing I just want to show you quickly. I probably won't use all of this, but look at this. Say I wanted to, in summary, or as a result of, if I put any of these words in, it will automatically create another paragraph. Let's do it in summary. In summary. And look what it does. In summary, Scalenut is a powerful tool. Now, it is a little bit repeaty of the top bit, but as I say, you do have to spend time playing around with it and getting, you know, the content exactly right. But I just think, let's try another of these just to show you. And it thinks about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you just showing you that, just because it blows my mind. Am I happy with that? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create great YouTube video title or descriptions. I'm going to put an S on the end of that. And I'm going to plurify that as well. Is that the right word? Plurify. Take a power tool to... I create the title using Scalenut. It's easy. And I think I'm going to save that now. We'll call that Scalenut description. And it's saved, and we're going to upload the video, and I'll probably show you that, and I'll just copy and paste that in, and then we'll see how well the video does. So I am impressed with Scalenut. I am going to make more videos using all of the functions and all of the tools. So this one is a bit of a shorter one because it's the video description and the video title. But have a look at them all, because some of the stuff it does is actually quite mind-blowing. There are other AI writers on the market that are really good as well. So I'm not pinning me straight on Scalenut and saying that's the one you need. Just preliminary findings are that I'm liking it a lot. Really, this is not so much of a review. It's just me showing you, and it'll just be an interesting experiment now to see how well this video does. So if you've not subscribed yet to the channel, please do subscribe. We try and make interesting videos, reviews, demonstrations, and just stuff like this, which is a bit mad scientist-y, where we try stuff out. So do subscribe, and also click on the link. You can try Scalenut today. It's a 7-day trial. You get 35,000 words, and give it a whiz for yourself and tell me in the comments what you think about it. I'll see you next time.